All right. Wait. You can't go like this. So where are we going?
So we are going to One Lap of America. I know we went there last year, but I found out that it's in a whole new location at the Grissom Air Force at the airstrip.
Whoa.
So for those of you who don't know about One Lap of America, it is a race that they are going in a regional area on the same set of tires. So they have to endure the whole trip on the same set of tires. During this trip, they're going at each location. They're doing
autocross. They do maybe a drag race. They're doing a wet lap skid pad, a dry lap skid pad. I think road course.
Mm-hmm. I think that's it.
Pretty much it. I think different things at different locations.
Yeah.
Sweet.
So we're gonna see what this one is like. So I'm a little bit excited for this one.
This will be cool.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my God, we're doing car stuff again.
I know, I'm so excited.
We just ran across one of our favorite cars from last year, the 02.
Hi.
Hey, how are you guys?
Doing good. Saw you last year.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We're back. We rebuilt it.
Yeah,
Nice.
I've been following you on Instagram. I love the trailer.
Oh,
love
my God,
the
yeah,
trailer. It's awesome.
Yeah. It's a spectacle, is what it is.
Yeah, no, I love it. I love it. I love the whole thing.
Ray Junkins. I am the owner of this 1976 BMW 2002. We also tow a trailer made out of a 1971 2002. It's over on the other side of the parking lot. But right now we are at Grissom Air Force Base and we're doing autocross. It is a cone course, roughly 50 seconds long. You hit a cone, it adds 2 seconds to your time. You go off course, you're disqualified. Best of 3 runs gets you your time, and everyone's running. So we should be here for a few hours.
And then what happens after this? Where do you guys go?
We're going down to St. Louis to go to Gateway.
Okay.
And that is our first track event, which will be tomorrow morning.
Awesome. Cool. What's it like being a female kind of driving in a male-dominated sport?
Yeah, so it was funny. I've always been into cars, and I have a Jeep Wrangler, and it just so happened that the Jeep Wrangler community where I live, kind of in southern America, very, very male-dominated and kind of gatekeepy. So it was like everyone tests you on everything, like coming out the gate, and it's just there's just a vibe that I'm sure other women in male-dominated things know exactly what I'm talking about. You wear a band T-shirt. Name every member of the band and every song that's come out on this album. Yep. Come on, man. Like, you probably don't even know that, right? Like, so my brother-in-law, Ray, who owns this car and races the BMWs and stuff, he was like, you got to come out to the BMW group, right? And I'm like, BMW guys, they're really going to be any better, right? Come on.
Right.
And I showed up to the CCA, and it was an amazing vibe. It's something I had felt in vintage car shows before. They're just stoked to have somebody younger. It doesn't matter what you look like, who you are. But BMW and One Lap too, it's just been so welcoming and so engaging, and it's an accessible space to come and learn. I mean, this is only my second One Lap. I've only been racing for like probably just shy of 2 years, and it's a cool place to learn. You learn so much from folks, and I love it. Yeah. Awesome. All right.
Good luck.
Thank you very much. Yeah, appreciate it.
look on your face? No, I'm disappointed too.
So, when you have an all-electric car with a speaker, what's the cold start sound like?
There is no cold start. Maybe they can put a function for cold start in there.
A cold start program.
Yeah, so that you can hear what the cold start. Yeah, it's ridiculous. I'm not impressed. I just like the good old sound of a
It's
real
fast,
car. I mean,
but-
sure, but I can't embrace.
We need some carbon emissions.
Electric car with speakers?
I know, exactly.
Nope.
No, not at all.
That's like cheating.
I consider
It
that
is.
sound pollution. You're killing the environment with your electric car.
So cool.
That was pretty awesome, dude.
Man, it was. Did you see that wagon with the dog that's gonna go on the trip?
Oh yeah, and did you see what the dog was wearing?
No, what was he
A
wearing?
puffy coat.
What?
Yeah, they had this tall dog.
I
in a
was looking
puffy
for the
coat. It was
dog.
awesome. Dude, the O2 people.
Yes, the O2 people. I had such a good time talking to them.
You talked to her for a long
I know, it's
time.
so
You guys
cool
really
to
struck
like
up a good
meet
conversation.
another woman in motorsports.
Yeah.
I admire her. One
yeah,
day.
definitely.
One
Oh, and
day.
that wagon.
I know.
Well,
man.
what? I don't. If any of you guys know what that wagon was, leave it in the comments. I don't know what that was.
Yeah, I have no idea. But that Mercedes going around the track,
Yeah.
that was pretty sweet too. So
And we almost saw a 2-car wreck, which is like insane for autocross.
I know. Oh, and
you know who it was?
yeah, it was the Dad Bod Car Mod guys.
Yeah, and we interviewed them last year, and they had a Corolla that they were, and another car, but they brought, it looks like 3 Lotus
Three.
Elises this year, which was,
Yeah, 3
Pretty
of them
cool
had
for
the
them,
sticker
yeah.
on there. They were cool. There's like an, I don't know if I remember the colors. I remember one was orange and one was silver, but I feel like there's a third card and I can't
there
remember.
was, and I don't remember what color it was, like maybe gold? I don't
Black?
remember. Black?
I don't
I
know.
can't remember,
I
so
don't know.
we'll have to review the footage.
Yeah.
So, anyway, I guess, it's back to this, huh?
Yeah, I mean, we legit only have like almost exactly 1 month to get this done.
For Grid Life.
Yes.
I mean,
I mean, look at it. It is going to be cutting it close.
it wasn't a dream, was it?
I hope not.
We gotta get this thing done.
We literally only have a month. That's it. Till Grid Life.
Till Grid Life.
Yeah.
I better get started.
Yeah.